Ahoy, culinary pirates, and welcome back to the Sea of Thieves cooking channel. I hope you have the banana bread ready, as you will need it in this second episode of our banana adventure. Here is where I get to take you on the final chapter of a truly smoky quest to make smoked banana bread pudding. This adventure starts where the last one left off, at the Captain's Head Tavern, after the banana bread loaf has cooled. Tina recently took one of those extra barrels she has stored away and converted it into a smoker. Ever since then, she has been smoking just about every food on the island. But the recipe that stood out, the one that became truly legendary, happens to be Madame Olga's favorite dessert. And while I believe that Madame Olga likes anything and everything that is remotely associated with smoke, this smoked banana bread pudding is truly delicious and something worth celebrating. However, before we get started, let's chat quickly about eggs. This recipe and many others in the book have eggs in the ingredients, and while neither you nor I have ever seen an egg in the Sea of Thieves, there are plenty of chickens. So I made the not-so-grand leap and surmised that if there are chickens, there must be eggs. Maybe they're all hiding on Chicken Isle? Let's get to the ingredients. You will need 1 banana bread loaf cut into cubes, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1.5 cups of milk, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 pinch of salt, 4 large eggs, 1 large egg yolk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 not yet ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of butter, plus extra to grease the pan. And of course, you will need a smoker preheated at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the wood as specified by your manufacturer. Make sure it is pecan or cherry wood because you really want something sweet for this dessert. Arrange the cubes in a single layer on 1 or 2 small sheet pans or a double-up aluminum foil sheet. Place in the smoker and smoke until toasted, about 30 to 45 minutes. Being careful, remove the bread from the smoker and set the smoker to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. While the smoker heats up, let's make the custard. Add the cream, milk, sugar, spices, and salt in a heavy saucepan. Bring to a boil over medium heat and whisk to dissolve the sugar. Remove the pan from the heat. Separately, place the eggs, egg yolk, and vanilla extract in a large heat-proof bowl and whisk until smooth. Gradually add the hot cream mixture. Add it in little by little so as not to curdle the eggs. Add the smoked banana bread and fold until the bread has absorbed most of the custard. Butter a large cast iron skillet and transfer the pudding mixture into it. Slice the not yet ripe banana and dot the pudding with the slices, the brown sugar, and the butter, pushing the bananas into the pudding. Now let's get smoking. Place the pudding into the smoker and smoke until browned on the top and the custard is set, roughly about 45 to 60 minutes. Insert a metal skewer and make sure it comes out clean, although it's best to have a thermometer where you can test for the internal temperature. It would have to be at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Very carefully remove the hot pan from the smoker. Now it's time to indulge. Not only is this Madame Olga's favorite, but I must say, the smell of the smoked bananas, the aroma of vanilla and cinnamon, the creaminess of the pudding, this legendary dessert might actually be my favorite as well, and is best served warm with a side of vanilla ice cream. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the ship's bell so you get notified of upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out the Sea of Thieves cookbook. The link is in the description below, and watch this space for opportunities to show off your very own pirating cooking skills. Until next time, keep those tankards full and drop on by, say ahoy, and give this pirating chef a follow on Twitch. Cheers!